This is one of the last special edition models of the F82 Generation M4. It's called the BMW M4 Heritage Edition, and while it's offered exclusively as a coupe, the M4 convertible doesn't get any of the Heritage Edition. It exudes all the qualities you'd want from a proper M4. As you can see, it's full of M-spec goodies, included in exterior and interior of the special edition. Only 750 units of the BMW M4 Heritage will be made. It's tabbed as a global model, so the US market is expected to receive a healthy share of the allocation. The M4 Heritage Edition comes in three colours: the Imola Red 2, the Velvet Blue, or the Laguna Seca Blue. Here we have it in Velvet Blue.